Hello dynamic learners, welcome to your Facebook Conversion API part 2 video. In this video I will show you how to create data layer. Data layer means actually which information we provide to the Facebook, that's data layer. If we see in this photo, then we will easily understand what is data layer. This is our website and we will pass a few data like view content, currency, content ID, content price, value price, or versus product price. We will pass the information to Facebook. We also send it the Facebook or Facebook Google Ads or Google Analytics or another platform. So we will pass all data through Google Tag Manager. So data layer is the most important part in Facebook Conversion API. So now I will show you how to create data layer. At first we will click the preview mode. So now we will continue. So this is our website interface. We will click on product. So this is the product. So when we will click on product, and then view item is fire in backend mode of Google Tag Manager. So this is variable and this is data layer. So actually this data we will provide to the Facebook by Google Tag Manager. So we have seen that it has few this is ID, name, SKU, category, price, stock level. We also pass one thing, all things. So at first we have to create a data layer. If you want to a content ID to the Facebook, then we have to create a data layer. So this data layer will be at first we will create a data layer variable. So we will create data layer variable from user defined variable. Click and click the data layer variable. So this data will be e-commerce dot items dot 0 dot item ID. So this is the will be DLP data layer variable FB content ID ID. We will create another data layer for the item name. Data layer variable e-commerce dot items dot 0 dot item name DLP B content name. We will use that will copy from data layer variable. Now we will take the price, so we will just change the price in here. Price DLV just save it. So we have created for data layer DLV, content ID, content name, content price, and we have to also take one currency. Will also give currency, so it will be currency will be e-commerce dot currency. See, we have create data layer for currency because this is a dynamic currency. Like whose website have a different type of currency like USD, Canadian or Euro. Then dynamic currency will fire. But we have just a single currency. Then we will just create data layer for single currency. Just save it. So now it will be submit and published. So this is the actual process of data layer variable. In the next video we will create for content ID. So that's it for today. See you again in next video. Thank you.